And good Tuesday morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Mike Jaber. I appreciate you guys sticking with me and being patient with me over these last couple weeks as I started a new job. I'm still trying to catch up on some sleep from over the weekend. That's why I accidentally uploaded the wrong video yesterday morning, is because I must have been so sleep deprived. But today's weather is looking great. We're going to see mostly sunny skies across the region. Temperatures a little bit cooler today than yesterday, but not by much. Temperatures in the 50s to low 60s across southeastern PA. Lots of sunshine in the forecast because we have high pressure just sitting down here to the south, creating a little bit of a warmer flow today. So it's keeping us a little bit warmer with those temperatures in the 50s and the 60s, as I just mentioned. But as we get into Wednesday, things will begin to change a little bit. So we'll be caught to the south of the warm front, which means we're caught in the warm sector of this next low pressure system that's going to be moving through. And one of the big things about this system is that it's going to be moisture starved. And we're not really going to see a ton of rain out of this system. Probably some showers Wednesday evening and into the overnight hours. And possibly in the Thursday morning as well. But nothing really past that. And it's not really going to amount to much. But winds will be a little bit gusty, especially behind this front. Gusts up to 30 to 40 miles an hour possible. Nothing too extreme for sure, but just keeping an eye out for that. But showers mainly to the north. As you see, rainfall gusts through Wednesday evening through Thursday morning. Not much. We're talking about maybe a tenth of an inch of rain, up to maybe a quarter of an inch to the parts of northern PA, especially northwest PA. But overall, as we're going to be pretty dry, it's not going to amount to much for sure. But behind that cold front, we got lots of cool air coming in, and that comes in for Thursday. We actually will dry out, so we won't have to worry about any precipitation. But look at those temperatures. It's going to be quite chilly. Temperatures in the upper 30s to 40s, and then in the southeastern PA, in the low 50s. So it could be a good chill to the air on Thursday. And jacket's probably necessary as you're going out the door Thursday morning. And just taking a look at our temperatures over the next week or so from the NBM. We're actually going to be nice Wednesday, 60 degrees because of that warm sector before that front moves through, and then we're back in the 40s for Thursday. The weekend looks nice and rebounding with we do have some rain to deal with over the weekend, and then possibly into Monday as well. And then look at that, next week, temperatures in the 40s. It's going to get quite chilly as we have our first Arctic blast of the season, or I should say our more winter type Arctic blast. So we're keeping an eye on that for next week, and maybe it's the first flakes for some people, but not to throw anything out there, but most likely it's not going to amount to anything, just maybe some flakes in the air. So we'll keep an eye on that for parts of the region early next week. That's all I have for you guys today. Have a wonderful Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Mike Jaber.